Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to mass hiring, current hiring, big update. As we know that Deloitte, IBM, Wipro announced the mass hiring. Tech Mahindra also announced the 22 to 24 hiring. So in the video we will discuss about everything. Let's start the video. First of all, one most important point that I have to mention, you received the IBM test mail or not, please mention in the comment section. If you received the Deloitte slot booking mail or not, and if you received the Elite examination mail or not. Okay, so it will very helpful for all candidates to know that कि कितने candidates को अभी तक exam mail आया है, क्या update है. Okay, so you can mention. Let's discuss about the first update that is from Deloitte. I already mentioned in 2 days ago in the last previous video that there are NLA Gateway 1 and NLA Gateway 2. Okay, so Gateway 1 is completed and the Gateway 2 is started. So in the Gateway 2, first of all, what about the examination timeline? I already shared all the updates in the previous video. Okay, but the thing is NLA 1 notification on 12th November and NLA 1 exam date is 15th November. Candidate receive slot are 15th November 2 p.m, 4:30 and 7 p.m. Basically in the Deloitte examination, you will receive the exam slot mail. If your resume is shortlisted, you will receive the exam slot mail in which you have to choose one of the dates of examination एंड उस टाइम पे आपको एग्जाम अटेंड करनी होगी. दैट्स द प्रोसेस ऑफ डेलॉइट एनएलए. बट एज वी नो दैट इन द डेलॉइट एनएलए दे क्लियरली मेंशन दैट द रजिस्ट्रेशन लास्ट डेट इज 13th January. Okay, so most probably we are expecting that after 13th January the examination is started for the particular 2025 batch. Okay, but the one most important point, what about your preparation guys? So first of all, on our channel we always provide the free preparation video. We have no courses and any of the other thing. Okay, the thing is many candidates placed in multiple companies from our free preparation series. You can directly go to community section. You can check that many of the candidate placed in Infosys SP for 9.5 LPA package, Cisco they are placed, Capgemini they are placed. So all about the free preparation resources. Okay, so the thing is यहाँ पर आपकी मेहनत रहेगी. It's all of your efforts and dedication to crack the examination and interview. Okay, for that if you want free preparation video of Deloitte NLA as well, you can mention in the comment section that yes, upload the free preparation videos. Previously 1 month ago we already conducted the aptitude question and exam result declared news as well, and selected candidate interview experience. Sagnik is basically from 2022 batch. Okay, and Sagnik is aptitude trainer at Online Learning. At time of 22, Sagnik cracked more than 8+ MNCs. Okay, through the free preparation series. So it's all of your efforts and dedication that you have to put in the examination and interview. And for that, 1 day ago I already shared the Deloitte NLA updated exam pattern for engineering, BCA, BSc and commerce hiring. And just see this guys, engineering syllabus are there, BCA, BSc syllabus, commerce syllabus, free resources, quant aptitude tricks, logical reasoning tricks, verbal ability tricks, aptitude and English free preparation, free resources are there, technical MCQ, everything present on our channel. Finance and accounting resources are there. Okay, so I shared each and everything with all of you. Just need you have to continue your preparation on daily basis and you have to check this video guys. Okay, and we will definitely come up with the free preparation videos. Apply for opportunity and continue your preparation. Let's crack the Deloitte NLA opportunity. Next update we are discussing about from the IBM. As we know that IBM announced the mass hiring for the 24 batch, and that is a AAC opportunity. Okay, so one most important point that many of the candidates are asking about two condition. Okay, some of the candidate received the direct mail, they received direct mail from IBM team, and some of the candidate received no type of, they not receive any kind of mail and they simply applied from portal. Okay, so many of the candidate are asking about the redundancy form, like what about the redundancy form, and in this they clearly mention that you have to complete the step number 1, step number 2 and step number 3. Okay, so I will show you one thing. Suppose you received the direct mail from the IBM team that opportunity with IBM off campus 2024 batch. So ये ऐसा नहीं है कि ये अभी मेल आया है तो ये फिर कभी जिंदगी में दोबारा नहीं आएगा. According to your application, according to the particular shortlisting process, they are sending this mail according to the phases. Phases means a different date जैसे उनको requirements होती है. Suppose if you received this kind of direct mail, okay, so in that they clearly mention you have to complete the step 1, step 2 and step 3. Go to the link below and complete the redundancy form. It is mandatory for all applicant to follow the 3 step. Ensure that application is successfully submitted the process. Email address, person ID and job ID. Please note that if you are meeting the eligibility criteria based on requirement, the concerned team will get back to you. Okay, IBM discretion is final with respect to admission of candidate to take part in recruitment process. अब इतनी बड़ी कंपनी IBM, उनको पता तो होगा कि उन्होंने 100 कैंडिडेट्स को डायरेक्ट मेल भेजा है, 200 कैंडिडेट्स को भेजा है, 300 कैंडिडेट्स को भेजा है. Suppose if you not received any kind of mail from the IBM team, okay, you are directly apply from the portal. So first mail you will receive, you successfully applied for this job opportunity, and secondly you will receive this mail in which they mention that you have to complete one or more assessment, coding, record competency, English language assessment, and you have to fill this accommodation form in which you do not require any kind of accommodation, and they will send the next update that is related to assessment. ओके, सो उन्होंने कहा ऐसा बोला है कि अगर आपने पोर्टल से अप्लाई करा है, ओके, तो आपको रेडेंसी फॉर्म फिल करने की ज़रूरत है. द थिंग इज दे नो, ओके, दे नो to like how many number of candidate received the particular redundancy form. Okay, redundancy form is for those candidate who received the direct mail from the IBM team. Okay, if you applied from the portal, I suggest everyone to please wait for the next update, because you already applied for this opportunity and they will also give you chance. Okay, they will also give you chance. अब देखो मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताता हूँ, एक और चीज़ मैं आपको बताता हूँ. आपने फॉर्म फिल कर दिया, उनके पास ईमेल आईडी तो होगी, कुछ तो डेटा होगा. दे हैव डेटा कि कितने कैंडिडेट्स को उन्होंने ये मेल भेजा है, कितने कैंडिडेट्स को ये उन्होंने मेल नहीं भेजा है. तो आई सजेस्ट एवरीवन टू, इफ यू रिसीव्ड द डायरेक्ट मेल, complete the 3 step. Okay, and many of the candidate they also applied from portal as well. Okay, like they applied from portal and they also fill the redundancy form. Okay, so अब ऐसा है कि अगर आपने कहीं किसी अपने दोस्त से लिंक ले ली है या आपको कहीं भी किसी सोर्स से लिंक मिल गई है और आपने फॉर्म फिल कर दिया है, तो प्लीज़ डोंट डू एनीथिंग एज ऑफ नाउ. जस्ट वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप दैट इज रिलेटेड टू असेसमेंट. अब ऐसे तो तीनों प्रोसेस कंसिडर हो गई है. If you already applied from portal as well, so you also receive the mail that accommodation form भरना है, अब आपको एग्ज़ाम का मेल आ जाएगा. और अगर आपने आपको डायरेक्ट मेल आया है IBM टीम की तरफ से, तो भी अगर आपने 3 स्टेप कंप्लीट कर ली है तो यहाँ पर आपके प्रोसेसिंग के चांसेस रहते हैं. सो लेट्स वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट अपडेट. ओके, एंड रेडेंसी फॉर्म फिल करना है या नहीं करना है, इट टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन द IBM टीम. वो क्या बोलते हैं उनसे पूछना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि उन्हें तो पता होगा ना कि उन्होंने कितने कैंडिडेट्स को ये डायरेक्ट मेल भेजा है, बिकॉज सभी कैंडिडेट्स को ये मेल नहीं आया है. ओके, सो आई सजेस्ट एवरीवन टू, इफ यू अप्लाइड फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटी, यू रिसीव्ड 2 काइंड ऑफ मेल, लेट्स वेट फॉर द असेसमेंट मेल. और अगर फिल कर दिया है रेडेंसी फॉर्म तो अब कुछ भी नहीं करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट आवर नेक्स्ट कंपनी दैट इज रिलेटेड टू like Tech Mahindra. Basically, the Tech Mahindra recruiter shared the opportunity 1 to 2 days ago. Tech Mahindra Ahmedabad freshers recruitment. ये सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग की जॉब है. दिस इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू AAC और सुपर कोडर. दैट्स वाई इट इज नॉट टाइप ऑफ अ मास हायरिंग. इट्स अ जनरल हायरिंग in which they have 10 to 20 open position. Okay, looking for fresher technical graduate from Gujarat or nearby state. Okay, in this they mention that if you are from BE BTech ME MTech BCA BSc, like they mention BCA BSc, please do not apply. BE BTech ME MTech can apply 22, 23 and 24 batch. Okay, many candidates applied for this opportunity and they are recording or like they are asking details in the particular Google form. Okay, they clearly mention please apply only if you are ready to relocate and join us at Ahmedabad office. Please do not apply again if you already appeared for the evaluation process in the last 6 months. Our campus recruitment team will review the detail and reach out to. Okay, if your profile is matching with the standard hiring criteria, please keep checking your mail inbox in gap of every 3 to 4 days. अब उनका एक अपडेट आया है यहाँ पे. Below form we have closed, we got enough response. Request pending candidate to apply in the next batch which may come after a month or so. Okay, So they clearly mention that, as I mentioned in below post, whoever applied till yesterday 3 p.m. and from Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh plus eligible, they will get further updates over mail in new few days. So यहाँ पर आपका एग्जाम होगा जिसमें मोस्ट प्रोबेबली एप्टीट्यूड प्लस टेक्निकल हो सकता है, उसके बाद इंटरव्यू होगा. ओके, दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग. Let's discuss about our next update, that is from Wipro. As we know that Wipro announced the Elite Telecom Automotive Embedded Project Engineer hiring 3.5 lakh per annum BE BTech 23-24 batch. No candidate, like no one received any kind of exam mail from the Wipro team. Okay, the thing is they changed the deadline. Okay, their deadline is long, means for some days they updated the deadline. उन्होंने कुछ दिन के लिए deadline यहाँ पर increase कर दी है, बढ़ा दी है. So let's wait for the next exam mail. Most probably exam is according to their timeline. Okay, so अगर अभी तक आपने अप्लाई नहीं किया है तो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एक चीज़ मैं आपको और बताना चाहता हूँ, यू कैन चेक एवरीथिंग ऑन द पर्टिकुलर पोस्ट दैट आई शेयर्ड इन द मॉर्निंग. Elite Telecom hiring, Elite Telecom hiring is activated. Wipro Work Integrated Learning Program, School of IT Infrastructure Management. Okay, fine. So यहाँ पर हम बात करते हैं कि जब आप लॉग इन करेंगे, सपोज यू अप्लाइड फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटी, इफ यू वांट टू चेंज योर रेज्यूमे, सो डोंट विड्रॉ दैट. ओके, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन चेंज और यहाँ पर आपको रेज्यूमे चेंज करना है. यहाँ पर आपको अपना रेज्यूमे ऐड करना पड़ेगा पहले प्रोफाइल से और फिर वो अपडेट हो जाएगा. ओके, और अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो विड्रॉ करके भी कर सकते हैं, बट अप्लाई कीजिएगा जल्दी से जल्दी. ओके, सो नो वन रिसीव्ड द एनी काइंड ऑफ एग्जाम मेल फ्रॉम द विप्रो टीम, आई थिंक. So we have to wait for the next update from the Wipro team, and it is one of the good opportunity. I hope you like the video, and this is all about the update of mass hiring companies. Thanks for watching the video. Good night.